My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, it's been a long time since you have seen my face. Well guys, I'm about to cook some red pea soup, the soup that Jamaican men are afraid of. So that is it guys, real red pea soup.
Garden and greens, cooking scenes, oh we're feeling fine. Planting seeds, whipping up some meals, it's all online. On Daddy Nail we grow and we share. Show some love and spread the flair. Like and share the vibe. Join the journey, come on, take the ride. Cooking and gardening, it's alright.
Pumpkins, sweet potatoes, and Irish and carrots. Yes guys, and these are some red peas, all soak, and what I'm gonna do with it is cook with some oxtail. oxtail soup. This is it. The soup that Jamaican men hate. Or the soup that Jamaican men afraid of. Yes guys, this is what I'm about to eat.
Fresh herbs from the soil, pots bubbling away. The perfect recipe for your day.
That is it guys.
Don't miss out, hit that bell. Bring a friend to the gardening spell. From grottos to spices and smiles on our faces. A community blooming in digital spaces. Join the fun where the harvest shines. Daddy Nev bringing joy to your timelines. Like and share the vibe. Join the journey, come on, take the ride. Cooking and gardening, it's all right here. Daddy Nev, the channel